Hey students, welcome to sqadia.com. Let's talk about Chagas disease. Chagas disease is a tropical parasitic disease caused by the protist Trypanosoma cruzi. During the blood meal of Triatomine insect the Trypomastigotes from infected person's blood enter the insect gut. Their Trypomastigotes differentiate into epimastigotes which replicates in mid-gut. Epimastigotes differentiate into Trypomastigotes in the hindgut and are excreted in the feces. Trypomastigotes enter human skin through bite wound or mucous membrane. Their entry produces Romana sign and chagoma. Trypomastigote enter the cell and differentiate into Amastigote. Amastigotes replicate and increase in number. Amastigotes are then converted to Trypomastigotes that are released upon cell lysis. Enter the blood and spread infection or cause chronic Chagas disease. If your books are giving you hard times, join us on sqadia.com.